Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
In search of truth, manggagaling ba sa bibig ng DILG Secretariat na administrasyon ni Digong, administrasyon ni President Duterte na hindi palalagpasin itong mga vigilante type na pamamaraan sa pagpatay sa mga drug suspect kasi malawak ho ito eh. There's a lot of gray area kapag hindi ho natin isentro yung mga sinasabi ho natin. Huwag ho yung parang medyo malawak na pamamaraan ng pagsasalita. Kaya para sa akin, tingnan natin kung saan itong sasagot itong si General Bato. Nasa balita ho yan nung Sunday, bumulaga na lang ho yan sa Philippine Daily Inquirer. Well else, wala namang ibang dyaryo naglabas niyan. Unless, kung ang Philippine Daily Inquirer pinag-aaway itong dalawa na to, or gumagawa lang ng istorya dahil linggo, alam mo siguro, nung Biyernes o Sabado, wala sila magawang istorya na maayos pagdating ng linggo, gusto na lang medyo sasabog agad yung balita, kaya ganyan ho yung kanilang storya ng balita na hindi naman ho natin nahanap sa ibang mga dyaryo. So, what's the difference sa Philippine Daily Inquirer, sa Philippine Star, sa Manila Times, or Manila Bulletin, and the rest of the other newspapers? Bakit ibang headlines? Ibig bang sabihin, magaling sila? Sagutin nyo nga yan, Philippine Daily Inquirer. Baka nag-anggulo naman kayo na medyo anggulong pangpagulo. Diba? Gulong as in gumugulong na para gumulo. You better watch out what you're saying, Philippine Daily Inquirer, because I don't really care if you're a broadsheet. Hindi ko binalilisan kasi kuminsan it's sometimes amusing to be reading your headlines on a Sunday. I'm supposed to be a bit relaxed and you want something na medyo pasabog ang dating. Are you guilty of that? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just watching your style. In the same manner, you can watch my style and make commentary or make criticism what I'm saying here.